Catholics in this parish seemingly go back in time whenever they attend the Simbang Gabi at the Holy Redeemer Parish in Quezon City. There's no blackout, electric lights are just turned off. Only candles are lit inside the church. The faithful and the priests use small flashlights as they read the Bible.
This comes from that time when there was no electricity, and so people were simply guided to church by the lanterns lighted by candlelights.
The faithful of all ages are here, from veil-wearing elderly women reading the Missal in Latin, to young adults wearing colorful shirts seemingly unfamiliar with what's going on. As prescribed by the Latin ritual, the priest celebrates the Mass while facing the altar, with his back to the audience.
It is really facing a common direction that makes it very clear for us who is the object of the worship. The object of worship is not man, but it is really God.
The choir sings centuries-old Latin praise songs using tambourines and castanets. They are dedicating this Mass in honor of the Blessed Virgin Mary. The Marquez's cousins are attending a Latin Mass for the first time. To them, it's a surreal experience.
Parang nakiripihan po kami ng konti kasi po kakaiba. Kasi patay yung ilaw, nagulat nga po kami kasi first time po namin.
It is quite matagal po pero mafe-feeling po talaga yung presence po at saka worth it naman po.
But for the Olioren family, it's been a tradition in their clan for generations. 84-year-old Carmen has been attending the Misa de Gallo even before the Second World War. She hopes for a better afterlife by attending this, what she considers the more solemn, authentic Mass.
I feel that by attending this kind of Mass, I give more glory to God.
His 58-year-old son Joe says the Latin Mass gives him more time for all his prayers than the modern version.
I was in tears because it was just so much more solemn. The flow is so natural. The liturgy itself is so complete. It guides you very smoothly towards the Holy Eucharist.
For Father Joe Cerudo, the Latin Mass should be continued by future generations.
The only way to understand the old rite, the new rite, is by looking at it through the lens of the old rite.
For those who want to attend the Mass, Father Cerudo has a question they should always be asking to themselves.
What should I be doing if I stood in front of Christ who died on the cross?
The Simbang Gabi in Latin continues in the parish until Christmas Eve. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.